I would like to take your speaking level test, and I hope that you're doing great and fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. And could I know your full name?
Yes, my full name is Mohammad Sujan Mirza. My friends and family love to call me Sujan, so you can call me Sujan.
Where are you from?
I'm from Borishal, which is most beautiful and economically important division of Bangladesh. I was born and brought up there, and it's a pretty small town. It sits on the river Kirtankhula, and it's a beautiful and it's well known for rivers and natural beauty. And we know that Borishal is full of river. And at present, I have been living here for last couple of years for my education purpose.
Okay, thank you very much. And what do you do?
I'm a full-time student. I have completed my diploma and SSC 2016 and 2020. At present, I'm a student of BSc Engineering, BSc Engineering of Sonag University in the Department of Mechanical.
Where's your future plan?
In future, I want to go abroad for complete my higher education. And so, our education system is right now is not doing it. That's why I want to go abroad for complete a higher education.
Could I know? So, what do you do whenever you got free time?
Most of the time when I stay Dhaka, I permanently stay with my family. But when I stay Dhaka, when I get free time and I study, and all the time I'm go-getter for my study purpose. And when I bored for study, I go out for take some rest, and I take a tour sometimes for refreshment my mind. But most of the time I study. And when I stay my homes, at that time whenever I get free time, I go outside. I hang out with my friends because I love hang out with my friends. It's my hobby.
Do you love traveling?
Yeah, definitely. I'm a travel person and I love travel. Whenever I get free time and whenever I get any kind of chance for travel, I make tour.
Sure. Yes. Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
No, I haven't been ever the Cox's Bazar, but I have gone Kuakata so many times. And I'm from Borishal, and it's very near for me. And most of the time I go there. But I want to go Cox's Bazar in future, and whenever I'll get chance, I'll go there.
With whom would you like to go? With your family members or
No,
with your wife?
No, I want to go there with my friends because if you want to enjoy your life, that is best for your friends, not family member, not also wife. And I'm a single person till now, so I want to go there with my friends.
So you mentioned earlier, so you would like to go abroad for pursuing your higher study. So have you chosen which country would you like to go?
Yeah, I have chosen. First of all, I have chosen two countries. It's USA and Canada. And if I won't go there, able to go there, then I'll try Australia, Sweden, and this kind of European country where education system is very good. I want to go there.
Do you have any relatives?
I don't, basically, to be honest, I don't have any relatives, but my best friend's aunt and grandfather lives USA. And if I will able to go there, then I will get some help from them, definitely.
Okay, so I would like to know from you. So you, when you came RAS English here, your English level was not good. Right now, you can speak in English very well. And how is it possible?
It's totally, it's a total credit goes to the RAS English Care and this authority. And I'm very grateful to RAS English Care. And I appreciate the English Care system and the authority system. They teach us, for mention, I have to say one thing, that RAS English Care makes me hot. Actually, I am I. So if I don't came here, then I won't be. I don't think that I would make myself by this standard. And I am very grateful. And RAS English Care have lot of system, and the education system is very good. And they have only residential system also. And in I'm a daycare student base, and our teachers and instructors always guide us, and they told us that a lot of things, and they teach us different kinds of rules about and who is change our spoken English. And totally, I have to say that. I have to mention one thing, and RAS English, we have from a notebook, and they have a daily action book, and in this book we have got how to make our journey, how to make my journey. So this notebook helped me for make my journey very good, and they have mentioned that which time what should I do, and I also comment, I also maintain I also obey the authorities' command. That's why I'm this level here.
Thank you very much. Best of luck, and you are doing great. And keep practicing. I hope that's so. Now you're a good speaker. You can speak in English very well, and you will do better if you stay another time.
Yes.
Best of luck.